As the dust settles just after the end of the 10th World Trade Organization Ministerial Conference, emphasis is now on how soon can countries kickstart implementation of the key resolutions. Well, I had an exclusive interview with the Cabinet Secretary for Industrialization, Aidan Mohammed, on what next after WTO.
Pleased to say that Kenya as a country, for example, has ratified the trade facilitation agreement. And what this means is to improve the movements of goods between countries as a way of facilitating trade. This is a really important aspect we have in our own region of East Africa, we've been taking active roles in making sure that that is simplified with or without WTO. But what is being asked here is to see whether we can get as many countries as possible to also ratify this trade facilitation, so that when goods move from one country to another, non-tariff barriers are not imposed to slow down some of those activities.
What percentages do you feel that by lifting these barriers to trade, we can be able to more than double the trade volumes for Kenya, as well as intra-African, really?
So a key part of what we are working on, what we have ratified, is the trade facilitation, which we believe will improve the level of trade by somewhere between 15 to 20%.
Wow.
If we only made it possible for goods to move easier than it has been between border X and border Y. So I think there are issues of market access, but even where there are market access, I think the level of ease of movements has been wanting, and some of the commitments that have been made in ratifying trade facilitation is so critical, and we really want to encourage countries to be able to make that happen as a way of improving our trade activities globally.